For this activity, we will need drawing paper, sketch pen, colorful papers, Fevicol and Seizures. Take a drawing paper, divide it into two parts. Draw different shapes in different colors. You can fill them up with color or ask your kid to color it later. Now, take a same color paper and cut them into shapes. And it's ready. Ask your baby to arrange them in provided sequence.